Hi everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me today on my channel here at Taslima Maya Art. This week on Texture Thursdays, I'll be embellishing over my acrylic pour reverse flower dip that I did last week with texture. A big thank you to all my Patreon YouTube channel members for supporting this channel, and up after me as usual will be Oak by Betina. So this is the painting that I kept on spinning until it got really super big. I think I overdid it, so what I'm going to do now is embellish this piece. So let's bring it over here in the middle, and I'm going to use a number of different colours here. Okay, so hopefully you can see these. So I'll show you what examples they are. They're Dove Crafts 3D Pearl Effect paints, craft projects, acid free. Okay, and I've got a couple of different colours here. Bright red. This one was pastel yellow. We've got another one which is glass paint actually. Can't really see what colour that is, I don't think, but it's quite bright. And we've got some pearl end pens as well. This is in silver. This is by Viva decor. And I've got an orange one, and I'll try to find complementary colours or colours that actually go well with the colours already on the canvas. And we've got gold, so I'm going to start embellishing this piece. Okay, so let's start with some gold, I think, and we'll see how we do. Now I might do dotting, so I can do two things. I can go over the lines here, or I can just dot. So I think I'm going to dot. You can see that. I don't know if you can actually see it there. Let's put the bolt. Here we go. So, and then I can just do little tiny dots. The trick is trying not to touch the dots together. If I tend to do that, I can quite easily use a pin and separate them again. I can just wipe it away as well. If I make a mistake, it's quite easy just to get a little tissue and wipe that away. Or a cotton bud. Best thing is it's easy to clean up. Okay, so I just wipe it up with my cotton bud. There we go. I will now finish this with making sure a little bit comes out here. Okay. So I'm now going to do the same over here.
I'm trying to let go of this heartache. It's been following me around. It wakes me up. Shoots me down. At this point I would rather be numb. I'm sick and tired of emotions. They've never done me any good, just tore me up into bits. I wish I knew how to call it quits. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. Don't say how it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much